Hello children, we studied the equations, expressions, etc. In this video, I am giving you the solutions of exercise 4.1. The first one, equation is given as x plus 3 equal to 0 and if x equal to 3, is it satisfy the equation or not? For that, we want to substitute x equal to 3 in the solution. So 3 plus 3 equal to 6, which is not equal to 0. That means x equal to 3 is not solution of the equation. Not a solution of the equation. The second question, x plus 3 equal to 0 where x equal to 0. Here also 0 plus 3 equal to 3. But 3 not equal to 0. Hence we can say that x equal to 0 is not a solution of the equation. Then third one, x plus 3 equal to 0. When x equal to negative 3, what will happen to this equation? So negative 3 plus 3 equal to 0. So this means that x equal to negative 3 is the solution. Is the solution of the equation. Then next, x minus 7 equal to 1 given x is equal to 7. When we substitute x equal to 7, the equation becomes 0. But 0 not equal to 1. So x equal to 7 is not a solution of the equation. Then next question, x minus 7 equal to 1 where x equal to 8. When we substitute x equal to 8, 8 minus 7 equal to 1. That means x equal to 8 is the solution of the equation. Then next, 5x equal to 25. When x equal to 0, what will happen? 5 into 0. What is 5 into 0? It is 0. It is not equal to 25. That means x equal to 0 is not the solution of the equation. The same way we can find the remaining question. 5x equal to 25 when x equal to 5. When x equal to 5, what will happen? 5 into 5. What is 5 into 5? It is 25. So 5 into 5 equal to 25. That means x equal to 5 is the solution of the equation. The next, 5x equal to 25 when x is equal to negative 5. X is equal to negative 5, what will happen? 5 into negative 5. What is 5 into negative 5? It is negative 25. That means x is equal to negative 5 is not the solution of the equation. Then next one, m divided by 3 equal to 2 where m equal to negative 6. When m equal to negative 6, it will become negative 6 by 3. It is negative 2. That means negative 6, that is m equal to negative 6 is not a solution of the equation. Since the answer it is given as 2, but after substituting that negative 6, we got it as negative 2. Both are different. Then next, m by 3 equal to 2 where m equal to 0. When m equal to 0, this equation becomes 0 by 3. What is 0 by 3? It is 0, which is not equal to 2. That means m equal to 0 is not a solution of the equation. Then m by 3 equal to 2 where m equal to 6. What will happen? M equal to 6. 6 by 3. What is 6 by 3? It is 2. That means m equal to 6 is the solution of the equation. So let us look into the second question. Check whether the given values are solution of the given equation. N plus 5 equal to 19. The values are given as n equal to 1. When n equal to 1, 1 plus 5 which is equal to 6, which is not equal to 19. That is n equal to 1 is not the solution. Is not the solution of the equation. Then let us do the second question. 7n plus 5 is equal to 19 where n equal to negative 2. So 7 into negative 2 plus 5, that is negative 14 plus 5, which is equal to negative 9. But negative 9 not equal to 19. That means n equal to negative 2 is not the solution. Here only we want to substitute that value given in the place of variable. Then third question, 7n plus 5 equal to 19 where n equal to 2. Here 7 into 2 plus 5. What is 7 into 2? 14 plus 5. What is 14 plus 5? That is 19. So that means n equal to 2 is the solution of the given equation. Then next one, 4p minus 3 equal to 13 where p equal to 1. That is 4 into 1 minus 3 equal to 13. 4 into 1. Here 4p minus 3 equal to 13. We want to substitute p equal to 1 here. So 4 into 1 minus 3 equal to 13. What is 4 into 1? 4 into 1 is 4. 4 minus 3, 1, which is not equal to 13. That means p equal to 1 is not the solution of the equation. Then next 4p minus 3 equal to 13 where p equal to negative 4. So 4 into negative 4 minus 3 equal to 13. That is negative 16 minus 3. What is negative 16 minus 3? That is negative 19, which is not equal to 13. That means p equal to negative 4 is not the solution of the equation. The next one, 4p minus 3 equal to 13, p equal to 0. That is 4 into 0 minus 3. What is 4 into 0? 0. 0 minus 3 is negative 3, which is not equal to 13. That means p equal to 0 is not the solution of the equation. Then next, that is third question. We can find the solution by trial and error method. 5p plus 2 equal to 17. Trial and error method means we want to give different values for p. When p equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. we can give. In which value it is true. First we want to give p equal to 0. So 5 into 0 plus 2, that is 0 plus 2 equal to 2. Second one, when p equal to 1, 5 into 1 plus 2. 5 into 1 plus 2, 5 plus 2 equal to 7. Then next, when p equal to 3, 5 into 3 plus 2 equal to 15 plus 2 equal to 17. Before that, whether it is true for 2, p equal to 2. What is p equal to 2? 5 into 2 plus 2. 5 into 2, 10. 10 plus 2 equal to 12. Here we can see that for p equal to 3, the value is satisfied in this equation. That means p equal to 3 is the solution of the equation. Then second question, 3m minus 14 equal to 4. Here also we can give different values for m, as m equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. When m equal to 0, what will happen? 3 into 0 minus 14. 3 into 0 is 0. 0 minus 14 equal to negative 14. When m equal to 1, 3 into 1 minus 14. So 3 into 1, 3. 3 minus 14 is negative 11. When m equal to 2, what will happen? 3 into 2 minus 14. 3 into 2, 6. 6 minus 14 equal to negative 8. Then m equal to 3. 3 into 3 minus 14. 9 minus 14, that is negative 5. Then m equal to 4. 3 into 4 minus 14. That is 3 into 4, 12 minus 14 equal to negative 2. Then m equal to 5. 3 into 5 minus 14. 3 into 5 minus 14 is 15 minus 14 equal to 1. When m equal to 6, that is 3 into 6 minus 14. That is 18 minus 14 equal to 4. So only when m equal to 6, the value is satisfied in this equation. So children, complete all these questions and complete your notes.